Horrible Jam, Chanting for Peace, it is a group of individual person na nagpa-practice meditation. So, a meditation is a process by which a person can actually achieve inner peace. We do believe that a person can actually attain inner peace through the process of meditation. And if a person actually understands it, he can actually expand his consciousness through the environment.